Are you ready to be mesmerized? The lace front is sheer indulgence, 100% hand-tied, gorgeous. The 100% hand-tied monofilament part gives you a very realistic parting space. It looks as if the hair is growing right from the scalp. And because it's a monofilament top, you can part this wig left, center, or right. I really like Mesmerized by RAQUEL Welch. It features the superb quality sheer indulgence lace front, single layer monofilament top, and luxurious hand-tied cap that we come to expect of the RAQUEL Welch brand. The only advice I have concerning this wig is that it is made with the true-to-life heat-friendly fibers. Heat-defiant fibers tend to frizz, clump, and dry rather quickly, sometimes within days or weeks of when you receive the wig and start wearing it. My advice to keep this wig looking fabulous is to choose products either through RAQUEL Welch, some other brand, or using a product like the Simply Stylin' Light Silk Spray, which is 100% silicone with no fillers. You apply it to the ends, careful not to get it on the cap, and you can preserve the integrity of the heat-defiant fibers and keep your wigs looking fantastic longer. I will leave a link in the video description box under this video where you can click and shop to purchase the light silk spray, and also another link where you can buy this gorgeous new style by RAQUEL Welch at the trusted website PinkeePromise.com. I have worked with PinkeePromise.com since 2017, and all of the wigs and service that I have gotten through this company has been excellent, which is why I recommend them. Now when you visit the Pinkee Promise homepage, scroll down to the bottom and sign up for the mailing list. You'll immediately receive a 30% off discount code, good on your first purchase. Plus you'll receive email alerts about fantastic sales and wig brand new releases. If you have questions about the style or the color, I'm more than happy to answer. Please leave those in the comments section below the video. Now if you wear mesmerized, we would love to hear your experience with this wig. Well, thank you so much for watching my wig review. Take care. Bye-bye.